How do I make my emails more engaging and enjoyable for recipients? Okay. Number one, think of your subject line as the doorbell of your emails. Make it fun and make it catchy. Second one, formatting of your emails nicely, like wrapping a gift. It helps you to make more people open it. Third one is getting more people joined to your email list, like making new friends. Are they more likely to hear from you? Fourth one is checking how your emails help you understand your audience and your friends like the most. Fifth and the last point, sending emails automatically to save times so that it will help you to focus your another tasks. I have created a free email marketing course which will help you to get 100 leads in just 10 days and how you can convert those leads into your paying clients. So if you want to know more about this email marketing course, just send me a DM with email marketing, so that I am going to give you the free access to you so that you can benefit it from this course. So this is it for now. Thank you so much.